which has a tangent. It says P, Q, and R are points of tangency, so this is Q. And so you know that's R, and that's R because they're radii. And then even if it wasn't written there, you would know that. The dog is breathing under the door. It's hilarious. She's been sad for me all day long, I guess. Alright, since this is a point of tangency, it's a right triangle. And so we can use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So r squared plus 5 squared equals r plus 3 squared. Okay, so to do r plus 3 squared, a different way to do it, you can FOIL it. You can memorize that it's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, or you could write it this way. Now when you were a kid in elementary school, you learned to do 3 times 3, that's 9. Then 3 times r, which is 3r. Then 3r times 3, which is 3r. And then r times r, which is r squared. So we have r squared plus 6r plus 9 is equal to r squared plus 5. Alright, so we're going to subtract r squared from each side, and it's going to cancel. Well, then you're going to move your, oh, this is 25, this is 5 squared. I was going to say, that's not going to work. You're going to move your 9 to the other side, that's 16. You see why this is 25 here. Let me make sure you can see that. Okay, I forgot to square the 5 squared right there. That's 25. Okay, so subtract 9 from both sides, you get 16. Is 6r. And don't let it bother you that this is a weird fraction. It's not really all that weird. But do remember to put it in lowest terms. So r is equal to 16/6, which reduces to 8/3. Okay, you have a problem like that on there. On all of them. We'll do that one more time. We'll do number 10. Okay, again it says P, Q, and R are points of tangency, and that one's Q. So we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. R squared plus 4 squared equals r plus 2 squared. Okay, when you FOIL this, first is r times r, which is r squared. And then outer is 2r plus inner is 2r plus last is r squared, or 2 squared, which is 4. So we have r squared plus 4r plus 4. If you want to learn this one, a plus b squared is equal to, some of you like to memorize, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The way that would work is a squared, the a position is the r. So that would be r squared. And then the 2ab, a times b is 2r. And 2 times that then is 4r. And then the b position has a 2 in it, so that would be plus 4. Okay, when we go back down here, we have r squared plus 4. Subtract r squared from both sides, and it cancels. Move this 4, this is supposed to be 4 squared, I did it again. Got to square it as I brought it down because I'm focused on teaching you how to FOIL. Move your 4r over here, you get 12 equals 4r, and r equals 3. Okay, everybody's got problems like that.